Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. We have something a little different today. We hope you enjoyed today's content, and if you do, please hit that like button and comment below if you'd like to see more content like this in the future. We really want to know if there's an interest in what we're going to show you. Today we're going to be taking a look at ElectraMeccanica, which is a smaller EV company that is building a facility just about 5 miles from us. So with that being said, it piques our interest. ElectraMeccanica is currently trading around $4 a share and is listed on the NASDAQ as Solo, S-O-L-O. We are not here to give you any financial advice, but just want to share what is going on with the construction progress and then take a little bit of a look at the vehicle itself. ElectraMeccanica announced earlier this year that they're building a 235,000 square foot facility, and it's located on 18 acres of land adjacent to the Phoenix Gateway Airport. Include an assembly manufacturing plant, a research center, 22,000 square feet of office space, and 19,000 square feet of lab space. This is ElectraMeccanica's first factory in the United States, and the location is right next to a freeway and to a local airport, which used to be an Air Force base, known as Williams Air Force Base. The Solo is a purpose-built, three-wheeled, all-electric solution for the urban environment. Engineered for a single occupant, it offers a unique driving experience for the environmentally conscious consumer. The Solo has a range of 100 miles and a top speed of 80 miles per hour, making it safe for highways. The Solo features front and rear crumple zones, side impact protection, roll bar, torque limiting control, as well as power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and a Bluetooth entertainment center. It blends a modern look with safety features at an accessible price point of $18,500. The Solo is currently available for pre-orders. One thing to note on this is that because it's a three-wheeled vehicle, it's considered a motorcycle in the United States. Even though they state there are crumple zones in the vehicle, it is not held up to the higher safety standards of passenger cars. Though from their description of the safety features, it does seem like it would be safer than a motorcycle, where if you get into an accident, you get launched. In this, you will at least be contained in the cockpit. It is fully enclosed, and it drives like a car with a steering wheel and foot pedals. It has just one seat, but it's accessible with doors on both sides. It also has a trunk. The vehicle has 0 emissions, and it recharges with level 1 or 2 chargers in as little as 2.5 hours. They broke ground on May 12th of this year, and now we're going to go take a look at the factory and see how it's progressing. Hey everyone, we're out at the ElectraMeccanica site. Sitting like this, trying to block the glare from the light. The lighting is not that great, so I'm just trying to go towards the back window because for some reason the back window looks great. I think it's the tint on the window blocks out that glare. But we are here, and I'm trying to hold the camera steady. So we're going to go take a look around in a minute. They've been working on this for almost a month, and it looks like there's a decent amount of grading. So we're going to go out right now and let's go take a look. All right, guys, here's the site. Looking in the east direction right now. You see that bunker right there? That's where they used to put jet planes to hide them from the Russians. That's how close we are to the airport. Going across here, you can see a lot of the grading is done. They're still working on more. The site, about 235,000 square feet, I think, is what it was. So it's not incredibly large, but you don't need something that's incredibly large for this. But you can see the grading for the most part. A lot of it's done. So I was out here a couple weeks ago. I wasn't sure if this was the right place, but this is the right place. I've double checked. So we've got our guys working here, and we're gonna see if we can get some site plans in the near future and see what this is gonna look like. Hey guys, I'm back at the office, and I want to give you guys a quick goodbye and remind you, if you want to see more content about ElectraMeccanica, please comment below. Let me know. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button. And please take a look at our Patreon account down below in the description. And please think about joining us as a patron. We appreciate the support of our Patreons, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.